Check out shares of Best Buy managing to hold on to gains despite today's sell-off. The company reporting a beat on the top and the bottom line this morning. Comp store sales also fell less than expected. Tim, they came out at the end of July and said things were going to be terrible.
Yeah, not so good.
Yeah,
and
they lowered expectations.
They set the bar very low, and then they kind of removed the bar. I mean, they basically said that guidance that we gave you earlier about 25, which was pretty interesting and pretty aggressive, no longer. And on some level, companies are getting rewarded. Their execution in the second quarter was excellent. Their inventory levels are awful. But what's concerning to me is that they talked about the promotional activity and where this is going, and that actually you're ahead of 2019 levels earlier than anticipated on promotional activity. Hang in there, folks. You're going to get a very cheap TV for Christmas, Dan. So, I mean, in case you were looking for another big screen.
So thank you, Tim.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I just like when the Geek Squad guys come over and hang out with me, watch a little football in the afternoon. You know what I mean? Like just. No?
Weird. Do you like Best Buy?
Yeah, I do. I think there's going to be some concerns coming up because even though their inventory levels maybe actually a little bit better than expected, the problem is you also have all of your competitors who are also starting to put promotions on their products, and to compete, they're going to have to put promotions on theirs regardless of what their inventories look like. And now we're coming up with the holiday season, which is actually one of the busiest for Best Buy. This is coming at the same time that the Fed is increasing interest rates, and people are really going to start to feel some of that. So I think that can really lead to some of their demand in this next quarter. So I would proceed with a little bit of caution here.
Yeah, Guy?
I think Best Buy goes lower from here. This is, to me, a relief rally. I mean, the trajectory has been upper left, lower right. And there are people like you that go to Best Buy with a legal pad in hand, take notes, and then you go and buy the things on the line. I mean, that's been a tried and true strategy for quite some time. I am not one of those people, by the way, but the pull forward is there. I think the stock goes lower from here.
Guy's the guy sitting on the leather couch in the home theater section watching the movie he didn't catch in 8th grade.
What's the difference?